Yes, I'm good now. I'm good. I'm good. Okay. All right. Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
ezigbo mmadụ ka ije.
Ndewo Sakekwan.
Ele nke i mere nwanne m nwaanyị.
I'm good. How are you?
Udo, anọ m n'azụ ụlọ gị ebe a wee na-akpọ gị mana o nwere nchọ itiri ụlọ ọnụ ebe a.
Okay.
Just e nwere time nwere just 1 minute. The thing there bụ na ihe niile a na-eme ama m ka ndị be anyị si na ka eke okenye ga-esi nọ n'ụlọ iwu a nwụrụ n'obodo. Ndị a niile gbara JPAC okirikiri anyị nche niile bụ ndị Igbo, anyị nche niile bụ nwanne, mana ha anaghị agwa eziokwu. Okenye ọbụla nọ na-eso okwu anyị na-ekwu na-ama ihe kwesịrị ịma ihe ị na-achọ. O nweghị ihe ọ ga-eteki JPAC ịpụtasị nwanne m nwaanyị, adị m sorry, ihe niile end ya. Ahapụ akọrọgbagoro elu akọrọgbatuo na akọrọgbagoro ọ ga-asọvụ the problem. Ndị na-asị gị butuo ha na-ajụkwa kedu ihe mere iji bugo before. A na-asị gị lọtụ gị gbachite, kedu ihe kụgoro gị n'elu ebe aha before. Ọka mma na anyị na-ekwu eziokwu. JPAC ihe o mere adịghị mma, kwugide from today ruo tomorrow. Ihe JPAC kwuru adịghị mma, ma o kwurie eziokwu. From the instances a na-enweta from the commentaries ndị mmadụ, it looks or seems to be true. So the truth there, I got try all those his followers, his friends and content creators in the banina. Say gwakeni eziokwu. Say agbagadizi na aderegede. Agbarije. I got solve the problem. You got to go abụha na ihe na-eme or ihe na-eme or ihe JPAC na-eme dị mma. Kama na the issue bụ si binyuke na ọkụ a. And the only person ga-ebinye ọkụ a bụ nwanne anyị nwoke bụ JPAC. Ihe niile a na-akọ akọrọgbatu anọ ma gọvanọ eziokwu mma like emeghe m expect na gọvanọ eziokwu ga-estudu that too low na-eple. Gọvanọ eziokwu nọ in the very right position to quench this fire from day one. Mana o merie, you just trying to defend your friend. Ọ dịkwa mma mana the thing there bụ ọka mma na anyị gwara onwe anyị eziokwu. The right time anyị kwuru eziokwu a, the right time all these things should come to an end. Believe it or not. Ihe niile a na-agba enweghị ebe agbụghị gị mana ha chọkwa si gbara gaba ebe ha achọghị ikwu eziokwu. But to me, ọka mma na JPAC pụta kwuo or say the truth to people or apologize ya. Onwe ihe o tekiri etu nne enwere much time to say anything ebe ya nọ ka nọ mana ka ọ dịba kene ụbọchị ọzọ.
Thank you, my brother. Take care.
All right.
Sorry. MG told me no yeah na my head. Come little alert. You will tell each little alert whenever you're doing things. With eyes water, because it touches the brain, from the brain to all the body parts, so you'll be fine. Now, let me proceed. What I was saying. Sorry for the meltdown. Sorry for it. Until you are in my shoe, you will understand where I'm coming from. But it is well. Let's proceed. Please, as you're joining, do me one favor. Share the program. Share the program as you're joining. Thank you. Share the program. Tag your friends. Where Belleface is causing those that share my program. People now Eziokwu. Well, you continue to speak it. Now, let's proceed. I was playing Skibo video before this thing happened. Now, let me continue from where I stopped.
I know they do saga. So ijo ndemene saga. Ndeki saga kurego no wa. If for some of you wait. I do want the saga kurego na this Facebook at least may go second, get go third. But nothing and when you're not a saga, you will be trending and you are thinking they are hearing your name. Guys feel that yes, I'm the one trending, I know without knowing that you are destroying your brand. Without knowing that you are destroying your brand. A lot of people, do you think everybody in this blue app are fools? Some people knows the truth and they are keeping silent, looking at you. They are not even commenting. They know which one is the truth and the one which is lie. I know we have a lot of fools here. Even as I'm talking now, there are a lot of fools here commenting rubbish. But I don't have time. I don't block you people. No, if I block you now, you don't mind us. But I need you people. Make una day. Make una day. I need remove because my dad used to tell me, so I need you people. Manda ishina dem I need una. Oh no, I wanna hear them agaga. I can never be a friend to God who made me. I can never be a friend to a snitch. That you come to my face, I am rich poor. Then you will see a contract that will want to come to me, give me Piaham, destroy ya dia. Give divert to your gang.
Okay.
You think I'm not hearing everything? I just kept silent. But when
Okay. Okay.
if you are doing your nonsense, saying you are doing saga, because I'm being taken for a long time ago now.
Okay.
Now calculate it.
Okay.
You understand? So if you are doing your saga and your nonsense, destroying people's name just to stay at the top, you see this blue app. This blue app, no, I the organ of you see those your squad clapping for you. You give feeling with cartels. Oga, you are destroying your brand. You won't tell me that all the blue app I won't be believed. No, to go where I'm bossing. A friend, we may your joy, you legayani must say, Baba, this one where you they do now, you know, do I'm right. Stop it. Ana Korogaka. Give you later, you are the top, that your name is, you are trending in a bad way. You went to a colleague, the Kutoku colleague, he gave him how much or even, just them say one mother. Oh God, there is no smoke without fire. There is no smoke without fire. There's nothing you feel tell me. And we don't believe in this blue app. I'm a name and deep believer here, but I'm a name and this shit. Read my list. There is no smoke without fire. Oh God, learn how to kill no geriri. That's the only issue I have with you. Only problem I have with you. And if I look you and you are that kind of person, I am that's the kind of person I am. I've heard so many things, but I know go. I'm too big for that shit. I don't do dragon. All those things don't go. You don't go. I don't even leave the blue app phone and a TikTok I did now. They do my thing. If you can get maybe your fellow colleague them give your colleague actually in your business, you go there finish and give block oil.
Okay.
Oh, him to say reggae.
Okay.
And I say, if you for stand by him, you for do. Okay, if you email your job, I will look at you eyeball to eyeball. Do you know why I love myself so much? I don't do, some of you never quite hear cartel gang. It's like you people are just, some of you are in this blue app for echo. Maybe when you drag somebody, or you people are just loyal to somebody because of it from it. Okay. 10 naira, 10,000, 20,000, I can't because of be you who let the person come out send a small skibo a crolani here go cut or colleague or and say how do I put it just to get favor man can you make I can't do it. It's not pride, but it's not read my lips. It's not pride, but you see all these big men, all these our bosses where we say, I can remember that I hardly even call them. I need him all those. Even when my boss called me yesterday, Steaman, he was like, this one where they call me again, waiting happen. I said, boss, not I don't want this. I know be worrying big man. A man behind on a meeting. I don't do things for money. I told them I don't make I like if you like me, you like me, and if you don't like me, you day your day, I day my day. This is the kind of person I am. But some of you here, unu di ready. A little to get shit. We are unu di ready in address matter. Kunu na echo, just echo.
Thank you.
Echo. Money.
Thank you.
Unu di ready ire ọtọ nwanne unu just kunu nata that money.
Thank you.
If you want me, we'll be friends. We go become friends. And I'm not gonna win. I'm in my man who don't be or who don't do more or that day your day. I fucking block you. I don't need you in my life.
Thank you, my brother.
I know they're doing here gang. If you people should watch closely now, and they're messing here cartel here gang. I don't do one man mopo, only me. I know they do cartel something here.
Proceed. What I was saying.
I'm messing here cartel here.
Okay. Now, I jotted things down. Please share this program. I have a lot to say before I will start unveiling a lot of things about Eziokwu Jpac told me. Please, I would like you to share this program because I have a lot of things. We listened to that program together yesterday. That's Zeus program they did. Hey, what to go? Now, okay. Now, Jpac came out and said that na 1 million, right? Good. Now, I would like you to listen to this voice note. Please, can you share the program? I would like you to listen to this voice note because your works will always be against you. It's only always your word against your own gods. You want to go? I would like you to take your time, listen to this voice note. What started? Ihe mere akụ na Jpac ji nwewe problem before Jpac reached out to me. Now Jpac came to me in the name of Biko. Na m help ya gwara ya akụ. Na page ya nwere problem because of Zion on a post. Na I need 10 million naira. What was up on our phone? Shimon Biko. Na m gwara ya akụ na kwa m na akụ na agreement. Na mbiko na ngbala ya kona I need 10 million naira. No, at least no ihe on enwete every month. Mashia na wow, okay, no problem. I will talk to Ako. Yashim na nwere voice note ya ga agbayere and ya agbayere the voice note that I should send it to Ako. What I go? Now listen to the voice note ya na ex-convict enyi nwoke Brabiji this pattern Igbo anyi wayo. So when Jpac said no because of Naemer Mbaka apology, Jpac is a blatant and a pathological liar. And when that's ex-convict na Jpac, Habatani Mendogi, it need to be very, very careful. These people are devourers. These people are demons. Nda wundega batani Mendogi destroy Yagi. They have mission. Just that ex-convict is the more sneaky and more wiser than Jpac. On a menke. If you don't, you will make them much clever. You will not understand where that one is coming from. But Jpac will lodo. His own is always obvious. Like what Skibo said, I knew Eziokwu before Jpac. How did I meet Eziokwu? I met Eziokwu through when I was helping Igbo, who introduced Bebioko to Jpac is Igbo. That was how I met Bebioko. Bebioko reached out to me. We started trying to find out how to help Igbo. Then Jpac pretended and reached out to Igbo. Na actually help ya. Through there, ya Buhari was Igbo. Ya na Igbo ana-agari ihe gbasara treatment ya. From there, Jpac, Igbo introduced Jpac to Bebioko, who introduced Seaman Global to Jpac is Igbo. But ask me what happened. If I'm lying, you ask Igbo. If I'm lying, you can reach out to Igbo. What happened? As soon as Jpac went to Bebioko and told Bebioko to stay away from me. And the one thing about Bebioko nega actually without the investigating. Or one thing about Bebioko. Instead of him to investigate, Bebioko will just do what? Jpac rushed to Bebioko. Bebioko, all manner of things. Them in Facebook. Come on, Ogechi mere. Buru can she remain my father? Oh, my father mere Bebioko muna eji nwe problem. Yem na gwagi is nothing but the truth. Jpac burum ga the same story obubutere. Bebioko. Let him come and swear with the water and the salt. I challenge him to come and swear with the water and salt. He am the same thing about Igwe, Ebe Seaman Global, Ebe Bebioko. Both of them are watching me because I know they will watch. They follow me. All of them follow me. No be talk or no be cap. Mona Bebioko the number before. We used to do WhatsApp calls. How to help Igwe. Him Nabagi is not cap. I will not lie against him. He's a nice man. But before then, Jpac, when he returned back to me after destroying me, Nihu Bebioko, and this man, he asked me for business money. Now, 12 to 10 million, and I'm back with interest. So, Mashi, okay, no problem. Yanyem few time. Mama, and all that money on Anam can get you what information. No, man. And the one thing you should discuss about Jpac, we are now here destroy. You have millions of people in Hugi. And he will tell you the things. Jpac started littering like onye diarrhea. Started purging. She okay. I'm a teaching a lesson you will never understand. You, the same Bebioko is now you return back telling me everything about Bebioko. No wahala. Ma close Ojidea. And not only many names. Many names. Mandoshi na gaga butere akwakoko kegi na abia. Kegi will just say my mountain. Kegi na abia. Ote kegi wo botoro ga boto in my prayer. Oh, also like you believe. Also like you believe la. But I'm gonna bag gonna jaka gonna how did this young lady man all these things? You want to go? Now listen. Mbobarunu. Nande Zion nyere 1 million. I want you to listen. I want you to understand 1 million. Now listen. Don't get these voice notes.
Man, good evening from here. Oh, Jpac, because voice note match on case and their evangelist could be the major numbers, but not through you as eyes of the gods. Because oh, you complained that before. But only due to the business that I'm running. How about February 4th this year? Even they defend the minister. Can I put share accounts on Jpac of staff and then now everything February. and the post two minutes were coachable post even post through post Zion. Bana about war mbo meboisona ma onye obodo Matthias all those time. William post in defending of minister. Facebook will strike here. Since that time, now they here. But February, March, April, 3 months, May, 4 months. Men I can't think you already disabled. Now it's a red, not even yellow. But no yellow, no warning, no red. Emily tell me you live video. Still the monetization is out. Just because na you know, in video, Japan post to a post room, or any video post to a post to, you know. Man, I still say I'm gonna say how far. Can you say where I was Fabalani? Yes, and there are good abroad and the corner by never pay. Even in cage of the Zogo pay. Listen or correct on the correct. But don't remind that now. Previous months, page has come worse to worse, as poor as the page may be. What is 2 million naira a month?
Whether a pleremia more than 1 million times, everything okuru, I will make sure you listen to it, then I will point the direction. I short. Did you hear what I said? You know the truth, I will keep hammering it. You guys will also hear because it's always their works against their works. This voice note that said, Ogechi, how many times will you play this?
Now that's I've come worse to worse. $2,000. That's the man that month or on your eye. Other months go 3, 4. So page even you were really see or TPR even they defend the ministry. And nothing show up more than anything. I'm not 2 million naira the page in February, March, April, May, 8 million naira just gone. Whatever we will take page you see now revive still my 4 accounts will be getting monetized and the hanging category the request got pending a meta app. So also my bank accounts on time they usable Mr. Jpac comedy. But he had 130,000 followers before build this year. Before it was not giving me or doing any profits. It was here. If I don't make post to say anything called ministry because all destroy your account. All destroy your my account. I didn't make post to say anything called ministry, church, whatever, or men had that. I didn't make post to say. When my account to disable. And the open account might be disabled. We're going to hit it. Second, obviously. When you're never there, and I don't want to go for property or go down or go for you there. Or whenever go, we push through new accounts. Oh, my baby, because this is new accounts. We got that 2 months. Or we got to 10,000 to 20,000 followers. Still, nothing to show up. On the channel MC, Rochari, we may go to an okay. All does us call to our call to us. So you may quit and not share the one and work here calls and as a way to me. Because I don't know this matter. I'm on the business here, the too wide. And you go account ma Kochi, Kedi man. Just suggest Yaram because it lose almost 10 million naira these few months. More than I just need to approximately, you know. Because he was, I don't happy. I'm not gonna lie you. I don't even I my wife, I don't happy. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy at all. He's in the where home and get you right, Gemma, Buja, and I'm more than everything. I can't me. Queen studio, never the baby, everybody memo overlook. I don't happy. So send the voice note out to Evangelist Ebukobi. I should get a ngosi. Go get to it. Awful. That now. The reason why I don't have it online, Bamba, when I get in there, now I can't some of the disabled and the other on my have injured in me. Nama no I have a Nama motor, Unua, factory, Unua, a bar, or I'm in Kush, other on my. It's like this incident when I was complain about. It's like other people who are about them ago. We had a Karakarana, mother, I can't go to the Samitiana. In a little Sawa, Amadova George, a year what the know what them, but to have everybody know what he or she is passing through. Thank you. Jpac, my brother.
Dancing.
It's in any home on Oku, you know. I'm from these big guys, Igbo can keep quiet now watching things go astray like this. Even we. They defend it. Even at some point, I just relocate to go to Zion headquarters. Because I don't go, that's all. I need any money from them. I mean, class also. At least, I can create another page and celebrate it. With time, it will grow. Then, no way, nothing. And the Zion supporters, they can the IPOB supporters. Any day you post about Ebukobi, that's the only day they will be on your page and watch and share. Ordinarily, nobody is sharing, nobody is commenting anything, nobody is encouraging anybody. Watch, even Mezugo, I just watch Ijowa. Smarter than Ijowa. Ogunine, I love Zion. Yes, I am the charge ego. We are not.
We know they charge money. So, anyway, they listen.
Asking anybody to pay us.
In Anaya, you know, so a big Zion, she's the Apoge Ugo, a big Zion is the negi 1 million in him. Kowuna Kuwerele, going Nagaya for borrowing. You see, animal like it, people. When you say something, people when I'm being here. I know you guys easily forget. Somebody say, how many times will you play this voice? Millions of things in the hand who end up in this voice. So you will keep hearing the truths. Every lies they will tell, this voice. Do you know the first time I played this voice, Governor Criminal on your shit ran to Jpac or go how did Ogechi get this voice? How manage it? Who gave it to her? Jpac had to lie to that moron. How to that bandit, that criminal, ex-convict. No work, while Aku self, I did not even send this thing to Aku. You know why? Because I'm knowing I didn't send it to Aku. Because I'm that also let Aku because what your voice notes can send the man come forward to the Aku. Listen to the Aku Chineke. Aku had to call him here to get Jpac online. Jpac refused to join online. Aku abomu. Now why this guy lying against him? That day I had to come out. What put the conversation on Mona? The ex-convict, this criminal, this onyanye bo ashaworo boranya. Banko just reporter. Banko just regard back. Shako, please forgive me. How can we resolve this? We want us to come back together. First of all, you need to go and apologize to Ogechi. That lady, you need to go and apologize. That was how problems started. Oh, they said no, they don't want me. Oh, they don't want me. Oh, said Ogechi Bitoshi. Now me the controller because I know these people. I know their motives. I'm a maybe. Because whenever a man go now rush it to you, let me tell you, unu ni netochana ako magi ma Jpac unu murakwamu. This guy in a way pute go ya unu because unu na gba in a called unu. This boy will bring out his hard-earned money. Unu. Ashima could be very careful. ori erigbuo gị mgbe erigburu gị ka ị ga-azụ onye ọma. But when you get brain ga-azụ onye ọjọọ. Be very careful. Ya dịkwa ka eburu m ya amụma. So for those of you say I have played this voice note, every lies and everything on her get put this voice note will judge them for the rest of their lives. Ex-convict had to go start fighting this idiot and Jpac. Jpac had to start apologizing. Problem. Let's see. That is how they united. Both of them not like each other. Both of them not trust each other. Ex-convict, leave that Jpac. He's not meant to be trusted. How somebody actually release a lot of things. But as time goes on, things will be coming up. Hey, my release get release a voice note. There are many damaging things this idiot ex-convict says about this Jpac. The same thing applicable to Jpac. There are also many damaging things Jpac said about this Antono. Skibo Okuru exactly who this guy is. Yabia each and again had the number, but Oga Baga so chicken as a favor. Hello, sugar. I'm not one life. But to kuwe. I send her a voice note now. I'm a business now. I went to name an life. You got the free time, which I'm not boggy. All right, thank you. You want to go? Everything Ashini Nehana to lies on this. Now they listen. I won't on a so-called Baristan. Well, Baristan and then was in opposition na Zion. All this whatever. Was it the all this bench person because of him? I don't want to go in detail because there are many things I don't want to review. Or what is anything? You know, the defense Zion again. He's not in the team of lawyers that defend Zion. When the glory has go. Oh, see, was a cartoon Zion. So ya can only ababra nime. Eti rigodi that body say I will go glory ya na ya. I tell you the truth. Oh, I say you want make we scatter am, I go scatter am. Always not just for game again. Gini ka game jiguruji wambe. And when would anything, you know, they talk to that day anymore. Yabwe lubala, nobody they pick up and call. That is it. Security not allow again to go close. On a bench. On a bench because of your committee, which I don't want to go deeper. So he talk about that's up ex-convict and I say, Nala yo past glory. You don't always rikakamo. So all these things when they want to deceive you, say barista and that all those things is over with. A committee idea later no get you're not even a member of Zion anymore. All the people was here. So here the region deceive who that man invited there. He be deceived for the colorful. The information reaching me, everybody is not aware. Those things are babash. Let me tell you. Anything I tell you, put you want to go? Ashi, onye chupro onwe ya n'ugbo. Onye chupro onwe ya n'ugbo. Shi na ugbo eme gini, ugbo abaya. So anybody where they invite you there, they confuse you, say Zion. Now lie, you Zion make una no pay attention. No. You know, say a lot of you guys don't know what did happen. Forget that matter. That matter na bench matter. You know, get solid nothing. Everything na ya. Now let's listen.
Mama Ubugodi. Inye godo order say ngwa minus equal go self hapo gode go le lose hapo gode go le mu lose iwe go the microphone say enwere bloggers ndị na-agbalị go ọfụma People need to have money nobody is paying them any money. If it is to follow them, is what you will do for them. Follow so page. Follow so.
So these people went and started begging Aku. Aku ne feeding that. Aku was busy feeding these people. So what is him surprised? Can package but no Aku 1 million? How? How did Aku 1 million? The same you put on it. Now we lego punya Aku. Now punya Aku ego mu. Go me business. Namji Aku ko share no him jigida. What the same you we pronounce na kunya ego. Guys, does the whole thing rhyme? How can Aku give me money? What I do because I'm made to go be the real. And I will stand by it till the eternity. And what did he get change here? Yesterday, open heaven is for Ogechi. A man that did direct Bamoku. Diana, it's only the wisdom will understand what is happening. Maybe in directly at Bamoku. And the ball over Moku, I receive it because I'm need to hit Tababam Shoge, the bank. No. No, but I don't waste time. Only waste time. But I am glow she be a tackle lawyer face, you in the face. You want to go?
Page, encourage them. Don't go there to fight them, encourage them. Good walk. That one alone will boost pages. Bills will die your big page.
Oh, yeah, Tila.
But I get quiet because I have nothing to say. Because I don't know who Akuzan. He complained. Akuzan will tell you tomorrow, next tomorrow, people will meet with him. Story. And you see, at the face of all these pains and all that, move Ogaba. Adverts. Free of charge. You could have Akuzan, more 50,000.
Okay.
You see?
Imagine. Egala. Anything working here. Despite a good done a negi before, you never give 50,000 because you don't have self-worth. Your worth is worthless. And you give 50,000, you collect. Everything is all about money. You see collected common 50,000. To tell you the reason Akuja Baru knows, so you guys are not contributing anything in his life. Rather, you came to devour and destroy him. All you guys came with for is to collect money, devour it, and we want to contribute to Ghanaian. Yes, why not? If not, oh, you to uplift Oyigi. The same Jpac came to me for money, for business money. Mbako bitoro toto uru ni ne scatter. Mbake go ko jiribia. Bia toto uru ni ne scatter. Masha, don't worry, I will give you the money. Johnny Yamon with the money. Joy Yamon with the money. Opera to scatter information may need to here bunyamia for free. Johnny, the same money on a good nampujena, copper the same money opera campunia for business. Did he get it? He didn't. Come here, American scatter others. Go with the ego na chop. You want to go so? The reason why I'm Jabaga all these things is for you to be very guys. Please share, click love and share, click love and share. So the reason why I'm Jabaga get this thing is for you to know who you're dealing with. Many things that I will say about Baby Okun, I had it from him. He told me, and now I'm just gonna share this program because I will say the truth. But actually, I will try all the lies he told in his live program yesterday. All the lies. Yajipara. Number. How, when? The day Matagodi Naganakuna, then I'm out the day it's in a conference call with Ako. Now you call me, add me conference call. Yeah, oh, no corner, the Panama. Did you add us in conference? At your key with the being in Ako's number. Okay? You added me and you start talking lepa, and that ends it there. So how am I begging you? And I'm a chum. I don't just now run one program. People when a machine no will reach out to me. And when you nashi achoromge or wait home, baby could reach out to me. Go and ask him because of getting help. So for you telling me that you connected me to baby, I knew him before you. So why are you coming live? Why are you coming live to tell lies upon lies when he should not? You want to go? So all these things, oh God. Now, I want you guys to watch this video. Hold on. Listen to this video. Because Ashige, I'm going to know your lies that will take you to your early grave. In that nini doga no wish na do you know watch na tom. Where is that your useless videos? Anyway, watch me listening able game with voice. Listen to this.
Oh, yeah, my woman and I communicate. My lovely and precious woman.
Chere.
7. Like I've talked to one person in Lagos. There's a money Gambarama. Nande Kutaka. Pushafa. Only Murafa and a Kute. There's Hebrew Jpac. But thank God for the divine intervention from prominent men. Seaman, God will bless you. And also, I want to thank somebody like Waja, Eziokwu. I agree, Nama. When they will make a barrister, if I you are my friend from day one, and still remain my friend. But I say, Joffo, don't want people to think you are capable. If anyone knows you about now, because you always stand by the truth, you always stand to defend your people, which is right and legal. I must have to carry my.
Biko, can you repost that video Jpac image and that day mention on her could before delete here? Please, can you repost that video? Biko, I need to play that video here. That video man and capture like delete here, Biko.
Thanks. Oh, you can make it to your chamber. But it's Eziokwu. Now, man, you be. Make it governor Eziokwu, my best friend. I don't know how you're going. Show me your friend, I will tell you who you are. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Make it Madam Ogechi, our Secretary General. So I make it Madam Ogechi. Make it Natu. Make it as a cardinal. Cardinal who only on a phone or boy and my woman now communicate, my lovely and precious woman. I will unveil her very soon. The time is not yet. I will unveil her. A good woman stood by his husband 24 hours. On the flights, so she entered those early morning flights. The
same one. Oh, she get a woman in the hook up, go literal. Not just working a club who hook up and with common sense. But follow this guy and be useless. His words is always fighting. But the same day, Loga Oprugan and Kayam Baba, first lady. Kona was a walking one gagam, but on a hook up, Koga Bruce and Colorona. Oh God, Jpac. Ndoge will always judge you. You know him this lady, him the first lady. Maybe they hear you.
I don't want to mention her name, but in the due time, you guys will know her. This lady Jpac. Early morning, with the flights.
No, let me play the second one.
Oh boy, and my woman now communicate, my lovely and precious woman. I will unveil her very soon. The time is not yet. I will unveil her. A good woman stood by his husband 24 hours. On the flight, so she.
We never know what the girl. On a film as a husband to the lady. He will refer as a husband to the lady. Because Zagazigi reports from that video on a page. That video mega deleted that day. Or man, I download it. Couldn't never know a good woman, my wife. Couldn't never know where good. Here we a young lady Opru Lamanya, Gapunya family. Meet this girl on a club. Even this Jpac. until you guys start being careful with this demonic human being. Listen.
Early morning flights. Once I put on line, but I don't line in the record, or line in the Ogechi. I don't want to mention her name, but in the due time, you guys will know her. Says ladies back. Early morning with the flights. To us about to go. We sit down on me. Do you know that these people at now how come they wicked? Why wicked now? They off my phone. I told them I'm not to phone now. You see, nearly 5 minutes of my time can make call. Make a battle. How can I be small? A young phone. That moment, a young phone came easily. Cardinal, God will bless you. Cardinal, comment. God will bless you.
All the same lady up at Ghana podcast Yam Baba got destroyed because the lady now be on my platform are commenting. The lady never the number. The lady now everybody yes to the lady. Why would she come to my platform and comment? Why would she follow Eva? Why would she do why would she follow Eve? Why would she do this? Why would she do that? Ogula crime. Cambridge on a quote the lady I reply. I will take the lady's permission to show you about this lady. Don't pour ya. Don't pour ya. Madu, let me tell you one thing. I don't know why. Imagine come again share hon toge. Imagine come again share beer for you. He who expect will be the one to scatter you. Each and every that lady no will just ordinary. Each and every that lady how you wasted her life. Promise ya no bro man ya put them man. Nigga loyal. But as you do so. To nyoro yoku were mini kwanyoro yoku. Nipata Gabriel Ghana Kayam Baba. Gabriel Ghana, oh my God, may God have mercy on you. The things you're facing is everything you have done against people. The lies and the lies you told, they will come. Ashemge, amame machine ko just were mnyegi as a kama. Makachi, iwa ni evil soul. Onyola hepurugi. Look at what you did to Akwakoko. I want you to watch what you did to Akwakoko. Just take a look at yourself. EMJ review here for people to know your character before I will then started revealing. Now
January this year, Eziokwu Ebini, Eziokwu Ebini, Atoko Ebini, Atoko Ebini. My friends, everybody, they were all against you about that Ebini. So some more with Jpac because after it, each other get a table friend, bro friend in this. So some more with Jpac. But I go no defending the Ebini. Emma, when I want to get out of the Ebini, no one defend what that is because a friend. You will not come out in public and betray your friend. You betray me.
Kwena kushikura putabande madu na kwaburu wayo. Okwa ya mevora ya. You see? One any video, there are many videos which you shake ya pan. Akwa bara promise ya moto. Overnight. Ya boma. The same pattern culture be play back kono. But problem one is that akumune onye dekam. Problem one is that akumune somebody like me. That is why they are doing everything possible to shut me down. Ma no kwahu. Hana chemune machi sejila mia shieri umumeri. Iwala okwa na chore igbe ga machi sina. This is his pattern. Yana kwena ko shibia na ako 10 million. It did not work. Ya strategize ya. Ega boti ya wo o hemere ni mbaho akushi ya gawara onwe. Ya puta. Even one lady been a program yesterday. The lady said the truth. If you can deny the one woman in public, tell me the one woman get put inside why you shouldn't deny it. If you can deny a let him not, and you know how you have been poking this young man. Then he should have walked away. You should have walked away and mind your business. You denied it. And when you but you all I'm a wage people ya. You I'm a wage you are just a demon. You believe you can blackmail people will put ego, but on anka again. Now this seku na again. You think you will blackmail people? How you blackmail Akpan? Because Akpan piano, a who can make your business. Akpan had to fall for your trick. But the problem, like this, you're useless or ex-convicts. Well, that Akpan when is somebody like me, a friend. A friend they might Eziokwu. A friend they might Eziokwu. Imagine now neighbor to me convince him and I join again. Akukariwe deleted message. Akukariwe deleted message. How you always impossible okay because join am kabo nya wo. Hold on. Oh yeah, Otilo. Chingafo. He want to go Gaimenka. Imagine if I am not supporting our con. Life akukare one at this social media. Okay, there is issue. You want to go exactly what you did to Apokoko. But it's quite unfortunate that I could when somebody that is more reliable like me, that will always tell people Eziokwu. You want to go? Because without it, you know, all these lies, Nejukwara, Nandesa yon Jukwara, Oge, Kinye, Onyo Opoto, na Podi lost your son, poison. You said, not even an apology. You are a demon. You want us to go to that your apology, that wasn't an apology. That was because Obodolo's son Potara. Sorry, Amules man Potara. Shigene. Nah, Biaragi wedding. After Obechanagi wedding. What did you do? What did you do? Gaputa. Beri Jinte Zion. Beri Jindoka being what is she. It's in how the problem started. You start lying. Imagine if this voice record is not alive. Imagine if this voice record could get sent there that day. Imagine that everything they got put up were thousands of idiots believe you. Thousands of idiots will believe you. In Aputazi, no me mene Mbaka apology. So that time he made Mbaka apology. We did not send you packing. You did not have problem with us. But after then, you see, you start asking for 10 million. People, it will make sense. Women Mbaka by then, why didn't you walk away? Okay, all right. I poor here. You begin on Chanadi. You see what can't I go? You begin on Chanadi. And on a party only got paid infection this Christmas. Look at an idiot talking. As of your age, you can eat no bleaching. Come on, go and find a place and make yourself more reasonable than anything. Look at you. And I say, look at your life is always you fabricated your skin on for. You election and you fabricate your skin. Where make me fine. You just fabricated your life. Eh? You just useless your fucked up life. You came here to talk. Why did I fabricate my life? Before you open mouth to talk to me. Okay? Why did I lie to myself? You're already a fabricated story. So fuck off and get the fuck out of here. Idiot, I get to my lepage. At your age, you can stay bleaching. You can enjoy the idiot in the garden now this Christmas. STD. Come on, fuck off my program also. Come who's up there, funketa. Only one church I be a parapassion you. Useless people on a group ne carry your tongue. Ndala, nde ex-convict na Jpac na ndotu ya jaboroncha. Look at my piano that area. I'm giving me data, chairs on data. Eh? I'm giving me data, data. There are many secrets to be revealed. Yeah, Nacho. Are you not saying what this woman is doing? She is sharing her women need. Does that represent a church thing? Your game is dead and arrival. I have a personal vendetta with you guys. I don't know why you guys are getting that involved. Our ekula mo unamu. Ejimana mo unamu. Maybe a program before I start supporting Zion. You want to go? So calling him now is a waste of time. I didn't just start it today. From day one, ekumana mo unamu before I started supporting Zion. So ejimana those useless women who job one abangere ne jim them here. Listen, before I start supporting Zion, my support of Zion is from the heart. It's not from what I am showing people how to be responsible. So you are not in any position to judge me. And you're not in any position to choose Zion, who to support them and who not. You want to go? So you are wasting your useless, frustrated, and I'm alive. Did you feel it? You are not in any position to choose which platform that support to Zion with honesty. You that is more righteous than Ogechi, but you came in boss and destroy them. Oh, they are the worst people to deal with. Why would that you never have anything to do with them? That Zion people is so you that is more righteous that does not touch at all. That already destroyed the people. But the man who's already set up people who they just don't want to sample. He does that. I'm coming for your side. Oh, come finish here this atom. But then, who is this? Okay, cannot insult Eva. Oh yeah, zero. You want to go? You want to go? Me. That is because click love and like and share. Click love and share because I don't think they will allow me to come back again. Just keep sharing the program. Share. Me, that is have never betrayed, have never looked for money, have never said because of this I will not say what I like. Zion are not sharing my video. Zion are not criticizing. Yeah, I never betrayed. But you, that is more righteous. Shalaman! But you are a betrayer. You are a snitch. You are a. And when we have no who can you guys can fabricate lies. You guys are demon. You guys are manipulators. You guys are only after because of money. Muna gena. Konya get choose. Guys, because choose one muna escon. Choose one muna escon. Guys, because I'm with the animal because it's too fucking hard in me. Now, muna gena. Those only again the honest and straightforward. You do not judge the book by the cover. See how you have judged me and sentenced me. But it's quite unfortunate that your game is dead and arrival. You have played a game of short upcoming of a human being. But Ogechi is wise. I'm more intelligent than you can imagine. You want to go? Chile all corners, thinking that this game will end. As more you come, as more brutal I become. And when they come, put a video on back. How many months ago you even talked about the video, but you did not reference to an old video. And I'm gonna again on the game then that you could not stand the truth. You had to come and apologize to Mpaka. You also said in this your let's go back to your voice notes, guys. Pay attention. Let's go back to your voice notes. Let me shift it back a little bit. You also maintained that everything Igbo and Mpaka and always yoku, but you still came out and still betray the same people. Igbo that he people about Mpaka and always yoku. Let's listen to you.
50 yeah. Msinimia tie fuel so na my moto. Kitakwa na I hapụrụ nwaanyị nwa widow ụlọ gabagori that thing. Tie fuel na my moto ya ọkwa na gịnị? Ọkwa na ego ni. But we were treated as a nobody. We endured it. We did not complain till today. You didn't complain. I didn't complain. When did he? Zion. How many people boy we number Zion nyonya so feature go ahia. Even to some extent, mother chowa kona ta Zion ego si ko disturb and no problem when ka. I will tell the person na ko easy na. At least let us have human empathy. For there. Man, all these things I'm for me, I see that they could be aware. They will only come and tell us they could be their war, senka. Those things are stories, my brother. They are stories. The mother crying on for nothing, call nonsense. That interview I made that guy that day, that when you padlock, that thing killed our pages. That thing killed our pages. Man, today did I betray them? I was still standing, you know, but no way. Even how many way, I get go Marco, the lawyer, to even say Nanda in a kakus and give us information. Maybe Kanya we can go to that area. These people hid all these things from us. Nah, Jpac, you can have go move. I don't tire for them. Don't tire for those Zion people and their things. I don't tire for them. Well. I tell you before God that man, you know be another person. Me, I don't tire for them. Watch me, I know they post spam about them.
The same Zion people, Oshinike Agula is now the same Zion people on Agua, Kahabia show gate to stop. The same barrister, invite is the same barrister that refused to tell him, oh, Eberegan Kobala. Now they have become friends because the barrister are no national local. Happen to Marco, happen to Marco. Now, man, set of Fundani reject, happen to one place here. Can I know like this? This is an age.
Turn all upside down, shake here. Although what I was saying was nothing but the truth.
But though what I was saying about Mbaka is nothing but the truth. So that means you are not meant to be trusted. You are not reliable. You can't even uphold and stand on your truth. But you also came out and blew up. That you was manipulated. Hey, who did them matter make we? Did you hear where he said, although everything I said about Mbaka is nothing but the truth? So how can somebody manipulate you on your truth? Then who told you now that that thing you said that was truth? Then now you have turned it around to become lies. Why are you apologizing if he spoke the truth? Now, what was it that you guys were that any the wrong information, that everything were lies? Who are you guys believing? These monsters, these snitching hungry idiots that can snitch for 1 second and 2 seconds. You see, so you're tired of Zion. You don't share them anymore. You don't want to have anything to do with them, but you still run to the same circle of Zion people, telling them that Ogechi is a problem. So what are you saying? Where do you belong? Who are you? Who the fuck are you? I just want to know. Now, why are you calling the same, the owner of Zion, the people you don't trust, the people you don't want to have anything to do with, the people that cannot assist you to grow, the people that you don't want to have anything to do with? Why are you still calling them to caution me that have never betrayed them, that have never castigated them, that have stood for them, that I'm still standing? Then why are you telling them for them to look at my affairs? That time in a platform, our man I'm the Jotondo shower accusing them. You once got the platform. You once contacted me. You once spoke to me. That time you did not know. Hello? Who the fuck is fooling who? What are you trying to cover? Does it mean that everything I said about Jpac is Eziokwu? Does it mean that everything I said that you collected the money, 500,000 or Eziokwu? You see, you're not meant to be trusted. You can anybody that trusts you will fool. Criminals, lies. So you see, man, life for three different. Because you can never see me bent. I am a very realistic, straightforward human being. I cannot snitch. Because friend don't betray friends outside. What I go? Friends do not betray friends. They can only what? Correct them inside and tell them, but you guys betrayed Akon. You guys want to ridicule and destroy his business. But the ambassador of the same bitters. Hello. Hello. The same owner. Gang. F-convict. Ebony Lawson. J-Pipe. Unu gather na back war. No get destroyed. No we kidney problem. But you guys are now the brand ambassador of the same bitters. May God have mercy on you now. Make we dey here.
Was it appreciated? Was it encouraged? The answer is no. For ya? Jpac, my brother.
Okay, that one has ended. Now, let's go back to where we were before I came here. You want to learn a video because Ziggy Zaggy he reports to that video. He reports to God the video. Now, it's just to tell you that anybody that will ever come in this life to trust two of you are endangering their lives. Now, let us go to ex-convict video yesterday, where you were calling in the Zion, screaming, that's your way now. Ex-convict, are you not the patron of Ebane Ekotomuwan? Are you not a member of that group? Are you not a member of where they are? Guys, let me show you guys something. John ex-convict, is he not a member of the group? So why are you calling Zion? You that is more filthy than Ogechi. I'm only using those useless women to teach responsible women never to join a group like this. Are you not a member of the place? And Escon. You are their patron. You are part of them. I'm only telling them to be responsible. Are you not the architects? Are you not the member? Are you not the part of the game? Are you a member of Umuwan? Are you not the patron in their group? Are you not their member? Tell the world the truth. Why are you denying who you are? One day, Madi, Onoge. Are you not the part and part of this group? When you know working, I should take off their clothes. Escon, are you not a member of this group? Don't you go to their group to participate? Are you not in their group? So why are you talking about nudes? Why are you talking about Ogechi Okeke? I can never, but you are their member. You are their member. Are you not their member where they gather every December to satisfy an owner? Are you not there? Are you not part and parcel of Ebo Mua in our own way? To make you feel honey, to make you feel aroused, to make you feel like you belong. Are you not in their group? Escon, are you not their member? Guys, share this video. John Escon, get it on a group and then a quarter. Get it on a group, then I teach you one yani, and I won't with her. What are you doing in this group? What is your mission for joining this group? It's about there. If you nego not here, Escon, if you negi on this group, you want to come and talk to Ogechi? Beware of Ogechi. While you are the pioneers. You are guys. Click love and share. I got a report to it. Jim is the creator. Jim Okoto. You are the pioneers. You are the ambassador. You are the one. I'm certain. People that sign You guys, I'm internal sign on ambassador. Ogechi Okeke na ex-convict specializer. They specialize deceiving our women in a group called Igbo Challenge. The great ambassadors. Lekwa ambassador, unu ambassador, unu ebe unu shi ke wana to ụmụ nwanyị mme expose oge ọhịa ha ja chumo. Ihe ja chumo na mchi akwụshi ka ọtọ ụmụ nwanyị. This is where they belong. This is how Governor she and the Emokeza where Bele face. This is where they belong. I wonder people that sign you guys ambassadorian business. I wonder the ambassador people signing na. So when I come to talk about it, I become the target. I become not getting a carbon one. No, and I'm a care. And I'm a G, and I'm a all of you all. None of this kind of group. Get voice notes. Listen to voice notes. How demonic. Is that what ambassador represents? Is that what ambassador represents? The way ex-convict is your member. Because about on I get drive joy on our comment on it, so on our participate. What their mission this. Get it? Oh, because Uno man denine Hamega ambassador, tag them here. Uno man denine signing Jpac. Now ex-convict ambassador, tag them here. Then I will, guys, please share them this video. Share him this video. While he's a member, he's the grandmaster, he's the admin, he comments, he follow them. Now he wants to divert it to another way. No. And I want people to beware of these monsters, Jpac and the ex-convicts. Look at what they are doing our women. This is what they are doing to our women. Now he get more of the voice notes. Listen, share this video, tag it to all those people on a man ambassador. Tag all of them. Unumandanine, Jpac in a man ambassador. Unumandanine, ex-convict in a man ambassador. Unumandanine, a pony lost son in a man ambassador. This is who they are. They devour our women. They do human trafficking through technology. That is what they are. This is what they do. That is why they said, Ogechi, they want me to protect Taro. They want me to protect Aro. They want me to cover Aro. No. I am beginning to up animals in human form. That's who they are. Guys, I'm gonna hand on a group now report on my page. So please now share. Tag all of them ambassador. Tag all of them. Tag their business member. They are demons. They destroy our women. Any go ambassadorianship. I'm not sign an ambassador now sponsor this kind of atrocity. I don't know. It's that little. Anyway, we will continue to open people's eyes. Hey, what I go? Get nothing. In ambassador now. December.
One of it, and a video, one of phone, AGS, anything. Yeah, we are a man a room. And on a room, only to the body game, I put your hand on cook. And I'm fair, yata. One of phone, one of the video, on your 8 year, before because here I'm going to get you. I hear the Iowa. Yata. So, Pantambra, the very okay. When I eat Pantambra, a check game with Tikuri of my a bit of the game. For how many minutes could all 3 minutes cake? It's here in area Marco said. I will not survive for 3 minutes a year ago, or the happy. I want not survival. The 3 minutes I really quick go as a body. You got the way.
I'm trying to the apple. But then we get a man belly, cover face and down. The other go cover that face. And auto you quickly. I got those auto, W cook and mom, those auto, boo. Those auto, boo. When I make competition, I cover 0 down. All right. Without that, one competition already is competition already is all right. I'm not going to get in up here. I will have them. I'm trying to Abu. But then we can a man belly cover face and down. You go cover that face on auto you quickly. I got those auto W cook a mom. Those auto boo. Those auto boo. When I make competition, I cover zero down. All right. Without that, one competition already is competition already is all right. I'm not going to get in up here. I will have them. Yeah. I want to I'm a work at that. I'm a work at that one. No. Hey, what I want here to is better little man. I'm a work at that. Hey, I'm a you know a problem. Jay Keke is something you keep even. Ngani mena go be ojo how me adago. Chupia that way, tell chupia that place. I'm not to home. I can't. When it tell join us, question I don't know process. Okay, do it off me quarter anya. Office here baraje. Here baraje. If we do to see a check caterpillar. Off me quarter anya when they go you go here. Office here to anya. Hey! Nambia will more.
When I am in the group, Governor Onyoshi and Escom na Jpac Hano. Yeah, the group where they belong. Because no tag yaraminteni ne nyere Jpac ambassador. Tag yaraminteni ne Jpac ne represent. Tag yaraminteni ne Escom ne represent in this place. Because I would drag them. Anna Majuha, is that the money you're sponsoring? Ego in for their brand. Is that what your brand represents? Is this what your brand? Don't worry. I will be putting this thing together and I'll be posting it every morning. Is that what brand do they representing? All these big men. Is that what you guys are? You guys are hiring people that are using our women in the name of technology, human trafficking. Is this what you guys stand for? Anamaju, you don't stand there for. To use our women as a punch bag, ha mepe auto ha Christmas were Europe nye ha n'ime ikpu. Mekwu akpọwashe Ogechi na-ekpe ikpu na amụ. Ama emechi ọnụ ka unu gbuo anyị. Ama emechi ọnụ ka unu gbuo anyị. Unu were ise chanamite ga were otu fu mkpụrụ anya. Elebi. Bekee, do your job, blockable. Oh yeah, Otilo. This is who they are. This is here that Ogechi ticket. But it's quite unfortunate. You met the wrong person. Igbo niile unu na-eke na this particular group. Unu le ụmụaka ọma. Unu na-eke ụmụaka ọma. Unu asị nwa gbara ọkpọ. All these things are again where ex-convicts and the Jpac now where God sign and an ambassadorship where they not destroy our Igbo women, where they not damage our Igbo women. Now, June, what are you guys in Kenya? Come on, guys, sign the people the responsible, people that will represent the society, and you guys are giving these people the upliftment to do what, if I may say, to destroy our young girls, to gather in a group and destroy their future in the name of auto competition, in the name of new competition. And I'm at you. Is that what we the reason I just sign ambassador? The reason I just sign ambassador, if I might ask. Guys, do me one favor. Now share this video. Amua get me pu wani nanya. Wepe Jpac na ex-convict. John ex-convict home gana group. Jono ya ihe mega na group of this impunity. Ogechi why na ekoto mu unu na chi ha ka unu nye ha 30,000. Unu na anabata our women in this place. In a queen basaroto, you must be a useless person to even open mouth. To say that I'm a chat, I'm a honey. Now, when you're not chat, I'm a give me arrest. I'm a booze arrest all of you for open such group. I'm a booze mood in arrest. Now, let's go to the Bioko information. Guys, share this video. Ngaka gene. Ashi ngani ngukuni ne bara wugene nkwa. Tag ya Bioko. If it's possible, you look for baby Oko wife. When Hannah got watch a man, how wouldn't they watch a man? Target share it. The hour has come. The hour has come. Baby Oko, this is the person Baby Oko share about me, but came to me to destroy again. You know, one stage by stage. It's my like one. Yeah, again. Yeah, get to an extent. Share this video. Share the program. Share the program. Because I macho, people be unknown in the Tag it, share it to every WhatsApp, every groups. Baby, I come class. Baby, I come class. Number 1. Jpac Baramu. Nina ha chwanyi ni huwanyi gi because of your wife is highly spiritual. Wanyi gi the very that's o church banu ma ho. What I go? Now the only time you Japan when you travel. Now give me travel like this, got to channel 1 and all umaka ga nwoku me travel no ha ga potara get the wine. Yakwam he won your wine, but in a hand through ya ebe, Nina may once in a blue moon. You what I go? ABI poor like he may travel. He give now if himself to understand the need of the phone, you one, you can no more get here and egu. Now nobody go even know. Now that ogike, I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna see get a wine make here or anything. Now get no way to may travel in France, London, all these places, and she like a warm. No way bank he gave me like nobody they know. You know why I'm telling? And then another one, nigga pretend he would reach 10 billion to make sure Gianna people close to you. You will take the money, get Gianna fed to the public, and then they chain but people around you. Now the last thing he gave me, people around you are brutal. Nigga used to get the people he get in ya, 100,000, 200,000. Then even within your families, people are can survival. He started listing names. Of people gonna now all these names I will list. He gets a Jimanama, him neku, and I'm a toashim and I'm a Eziokwu. You what I go? When I will start calling names, Igazama, Madam Ogechi is making stories or I am lying. You what I go? Oh, she got a promise, Madelunala. Onya bito haneno gone that you start using that person. The one you name Abauru. No one on Facebook who can people man need you, but egogi, you will not use it to help anybody. Yashim now one Mr. White. Now one Mr. White na gone. Now he used to get the man at a point. God don't pour the man. We used to China. Yeah, the question can actually okay by name. Another man who okay by name. Go and list them magana run before. Now the man now all these people now now you used to China, you dump them. The one who na baganaka buru. How do you hear me na gamaro? What I go? Another name of Oshina or Osa, Oshina or Osas or Osa, something like that. Oshina, the man too, no part of your distributor, but you need to channel all of them. Promise here heaven and earth. When can I buru? Another one is Ike. Now Ike too. Need use all Ike. Another one is Oshina Inno. INNO. Yeah. I know. No give you to try and get dump and the living stone. That all these people, if we should even matter, then what you even have ibe huru. Nehema wu onye ola get promote to gi onye get anything on that emere give on the social media. Non din elete. Ni ola baraga around na nwekwa nke ine help na help pa ihe ine eme kukuma. Now go and see ma ha ndem list gi. Mo nwere nderu go ọrụ. Even to an extent, I remember he gave me their numbers. Check them start. Hold on. But all back the Sunday na working in I have to say the truth. Or she's someone then me homo. You know, follow the people where they do homo. Now the ebe na chunga you know get part of the country. Ni be onye ponipu ni mere ya akuba. Ni na ye memma every other person no get useless here their life and don't put them. The one boy in aka banuru. You want to go? Now when be Peter so I don't want to start calling their name because so the kind of Kehana. Now guys so what me wake mapanda bugane me socialize ya. Hey God. They were typical village man, nobody he begin. You gossip like a woman. So baby ma these people or should go and build those people that ilaland to high or should Ganyere those people like they promise you just to dump poor then when na many of them are serve still and when who happen. Yes. Oh, what I young but I'm with these people apagation and don't need actually too much, which is true. I believe that one. You know why? Because the way he say Ramonage, oh, the same thing you littered you littered everybody because of Jpac. And don't me to we be the quack and I respond to him. Ya have to come where I get commercial. How the pack be what you pay small money. You want to go? Bene pay small money. Ye be dopa na pay una number ya push the Koporoge na I promise you madam can when he name ya no money promise God don't poor. You can never make somebody to be useful. No will not give you to cham madam name and maduru. But say I promise, don't worry, I will do this for you. I will do this. Still, you can never do anything about people. Azeme when Jpac Koprogo na emezirige ad mecha kwa bido oguama no I don't know na wetin dey tell me I dey tell you I make ya na video by then I may with the number nda ni no nyere mu me list ya number those list ya mana and we have to go to ihe mu na ya those information o nyere mu because when ngam make sure that I jotted those things down o she na enwe na m jo nde eboni bunu. Even where you come from, the weapon union aka. The weapon union, everybody around you were making it. No, you now you get away again. I got watch a man. A man muke watch a man. And when the church I watch a man. Now you no naga. No watch a man. No naga. Now one give a very very spiritual person. Even no one again control Lugi. When you sit down, you sit. When you move, you move. When you step, you can never commit anything in front of your wife. No way for happen. Tomorrow I will make that video, list all their names, post Woya. Oh, oh, one after another. But I will deny. But I will warm in this one. But I will be that I have not started. The game is just starting. The game. Watch when I get watch a man no down. And when I watch a man, I don't know. I never. This is Jpac was the one that told me the first time. I got Gale. Because I would have been packing information. You know. I would have been packing here. tomorrow I will list Chakoso Beanuga, Ogechi, you are stupid. You don't keep secret. The matter will continue to go until you guys do the right thing. Trust Jpac at your own peril. And Oshi, baby Okun. I don't want to go that area. Maybe tomorrow I will list that part. Matazi Gileti Ahoge, Gamma Madati Ngeku, tomorrow, where's you open? No, not Sabi. No, not Sabi. You like choosing. Madam, you also want the highly, also want the highly spiritual. No, no, Buniaka, no, Barbara Nama. It's the good. Memaga, list here the numbers of those people. Because only the number of those people. And I'm trying to reach out to them. So tomorrow, Maga, I list those information. List here all their numbers. All this rule naka to be calling those numbers to confirm miho kuru about those people no way joku. Because man, I don't even pack information. Only deal with. Never you ever deal with anybody's parents. Last thing he gave me we people zoom mamado or zoom pamado now na social media. You know how who make you came up insist. Kele Jpac kele Chineke na me to your face to face. So me come wa kare bola yo wanka. Bangari je buya nom nobi. Bangari je buya nom nobi. But ya kele Chineke na na this thing bidro we did not meet face to face. What I go? You only name mmadu ejekwala ebe family parents ya no. In the name of Igbo, those who matter, Yama game make you keru humunaka. Yama game make it with anyone when they reach hand. Next time you respect people with their parents. Ashino okunula na alo ya na ama. You cannot ridicule my dad Yamaronyewo. Again when you had the privilege to be stepping on my dad. Mandanguruma Mandingwe Kahati Una na barida. I promise to give you money for business. Ono gave it over. Parents say matter is what you do not cross. Biaka mnyege gije bit business. I will give you. Apo bunyere mako. Wa won't bunyere agena. Aga me bunyegi. Are you not my friend? You're my friend. Is that not my friend? My friends. You want to go? If again with him pam me ha kaja. A man that brought us here. A man that brought us here. You will me ha kaja and think I will let you have peace. Some people just they play. Some people a bit of benum now. A bit of benum. Akwa koko can make you one hit. Because I know my parents. Nature get the hint here. Get this here. Get this here. Get this here. And when it today, he make I hear upon egg. This upon egg. He man you know. Jpac kebera na nkegi. Oshana akpo one big man bia na nkegi. Enye bera igboro. Akabe ma akpo wan onya ho na. And when it today, he make I hear upon the thing rere go okun. Rere go okun e fega akpo bra Jesus. Ha che wara go. So you say you dey call Jesus. E man Jpac brother the ten bia call ran that day. And when, let me repeat it. And when I did day in a medicine or one tuna lena manyoku. Oh, come I just may be there, come 10 guys on angry. And when I did it in a come this in no make a hana boya. A call imunoko on ye this in a walk. By mistakenly the thing up now. Oh, when I get your brother Jesus. God don't boy. And when I did that thing in okay, Yarume when I did do many. But I say that all your secrets, Makisha, I can't do another video because I don't want to be leaking it right away. That will be another. And when I did many, and when I did Jesus also program, actually onion susu na Jesus, and I walk can Jesus. Go and check. I was not there, so how did I know a woman about a frame? The reason why I'm telling you this is that he just say gone. Because I would destroy all of the big man now. Nine Jpac destroy na camp. until you guys started cautioning Yaro. And when I did it, Omeni, Yaro said, when I did it, Omeni, Manati the fact, the details, Jpac put in. Emma put an go, Yana do a short channel, let him manage. Yaputana to, and they can. It's some gonna gank, bringing a gank up. In a cap on, no, we have potabe. Agame, I would list from 0 to 1 million. Akoko kanko. Click love and like and share. Akoko kanko. I will make a video tomorrow and I will do. Oh, look about the back. Here my game a charge Jpac in one. Jpac gagwa me pen nam no rape womu. Jpac gagwa me pen put on a live program. Bound. But my father raped me. Jpac gagwa me pen no one na menka. Jpac gagwa me pen putara. When my father raped me, my law choir. Jpac gagwa all these things. Ruma hope puta. Yeni ne ma game no wa. You me chabegi. Ndala. And you ne endorsement. And I'm gonna get sign ya people ne koto wine. People joto wine ye mene saraka. And you endorsement. What do you represent in the society? Can you represent? Can you represent? If you have come one form one group, where are going you? So is that what the endorsement are all for? Is that what it is all for? Here with the endorsement, all for you hired Nusan City. I thought it's personality and character define endorsement. I thought it's personality and character defining for who people will look up to. Around you. Okay. Your story from Inga Jema London. From Chicago, Jema London. All about story Gigi Hana Long. Mbono gra Dubai, ote bulumi hemre na Dubai. Mwa ote bulurumu hemre na Anamabia. I am coming. I'm coming. Anamabia. Make una relax. I dey come. Onye boss out near. Onye boss out near. I'm not gonna force you to believe the truth. But when I start the dish I'm out, then within you, you will know whether I am telling the truth or not. And when I'm gonna they will get tired. They will get tired to defend you. When then are you seeing me anything distracting me? Nothing on earth will distract Ogechi. And when anything they get distracted, lie or distract. I want to control. I continue to go. Because actually, when you start listening to by corner, you will not reach your destination. I'm not going to make a lot of noise. I don't have time for noise until I'm done. I'm not going to show you. Actually, you want to destroy all. Okay, I get out. Next time, Ijile go stay away from Jpac. It's not something to come close to you. Ijile go. In a many secrets, in a many anything to represent your brand. Jpac is a dent. Jpac is a dent. I'm just give one because I'm coming with 1 billion and 1 million information. And when I did that, and the came in your MC, that does in poison. And my biakoko. And when I did that in a may here, in a banner, money on a box or able to an 18 your game or baraga. Mba kupra le feki gabra get with Jesus. Hashani na achwashi lo yene me dibia na deceive nde mmadu. Na bure na bo Jesus. All of you that want to defend what you know about, I just the pity una. I am coming, make una rest. On that note, I got work to catch up with. I will see you guys later. Remain loved. Always stand on the truth. You only man she don't swear. No more things are coming. More things are coming. It's just the beginning. I am in that you know that on $1 in come. Onda ni no sign chama nde no no ku ha na mecha gacha everywhere man de content creative be yankwacha na ha enwede amụ na amụ ha na arụ ọrụ agbotara ha. I'm coming. Make una relax. I dey come. We have united the Igbo content creator man elegi onde ke lara iyi n'aka m onde ke destroy they destroy onde ke gbara m. Oh God, may God have mercy upon una. I just dey look una dey laugh. Many more are coming. On that note, remain loved. Follow this page, share to your family, share to your friends. Beware of somebody like Jpac and Jpac around your business and your associates. Idikwa empty. Ebara oto gị na Jpac sa ho ga akọka side of your arm ha. Him na gwa gị the truth. Odeba.